Ever wondered how our world is getting smarter, more connected, and predictive? The answer lies in the digital twin technology. So, what's this all about? Well, imagine creating a virtual replica of physical assets like buildings, bridges, even entire cities. This is the essence of digital twin technology. It's a marvel of modern engineering that has been evolving over the years and is now at the forefront of infrastructure management. Picture this. A bridge in your city has a digital twin, a virtual model that mirrors its physical counterpart in real time. This twin isn't just a static image, it's dynamic, constantly updated with data from sensors embedded in the actual bridge. With this data, we can monitor the bridge's conditions, analyze its performance, and predict when it might need maintenance. That's right, predictive maintenance, all thanks to digital twin technology. From bridges to utilities, digital twin technology is shaping our world in ways we couldn't have imagined a few decades ago. But how exactly does this technology transform infrastructure management? Let's delve into that. Imagine having a digital replica of a bridge, a building, or a power grid. With digital twin technology, we can create these virtual replicas, allowing us to monitor and analyze these structures in real time. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire infrastructure system at your fingertips, 24/7. Now consider the possibilities. With this technology, we can predict when a bridge might need maintenance before it shows visible signs of wear. We can anticipate and resolve power grid issues before they cause blackouts. We can ensure the safety and efficiency of our infrastructure like never before. In numerous instances, digital twin technology has proven to be a game changer. From improving the lifespan of our roads to optimizing the energy efficiency of our buildings, it's making our world safer, more reliable, and more sustainable. By providing a real-time virtual mirror of our physical assets, digital twin technology has dramatically enhanced our ability to manage and maintain our infrastructures. So, what does the future hold for infrastructure management with the advent of digital twin technology? Well, the horizon is looking incredibly exciting, to say the least. Imagine a world where every building, bridge, and utility system has its own digital twin, allowing for real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. This could lead to unprecedented levels of safety and efficiency, not to mention a significant reduction in costs. But it's not just about making things easier. Digital twin technology has the potential to revolutionize how we approach sustainability. By creating virtual replicas of our infrastructure, we can simulate and analyze various scenarios, helping us make more environmentally friendly decisions. Of course, like any technological advancement, there are challenges. Ensuring data privacy and security will be crucial, as will addressing any ethical concerns. However, with the right strategies and safeguards in place, these hurdles can be overcome. As we step further into the digital age, digital twin technology is set to redefine infrastructure management, making it safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. In this short exploration, we've only scratched the surface of what's possible with digital twin technology. From virtual replicas to predictive maintenance, the future holds limitless possibilities.